what's better than chilling at home with a bowl of meat chili in a chilly day? Welcome to Let's Cook It, everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to make amazing meat chili. Stove on a medium low, little bit of olive oil, ground beef in, now we're gonna cook the ground beef on a medium low. We're not adding any salt or pepper till they're ready, till they're fully cooked. In the meantime, waiting for the beef to be cooked, we're gonna chop some vegetables. So for the vegetable here, I have some celery, green pepper, onion, and a fresh jalapeno. All going to be fine chopped. Green pepper, onion. Now be careful when you chop jalapeno, fresh jalapeno, try not to touch your face. Now all the vegetables are chopped. Let's check here. Beef almost ready. If you have some big chunk of beef here, use the potato masher. Break them into small pieces. Now the ground beef are ready. I'm going to add all the vegetables. Salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and let's mix it together. Pretty much we're gonna cook it 3 to 4 minutes just to wake up the spices. Look at that, oh my god, already smells so good. Lovely. Let's finish it up. Granulated garlic, and I have here some tarragon. Tarragon gives sweet and savory flavor and replace the sugar. I'm using here strained tomato. Rinse it with the water. Tomato paste. Now the beans, we're gonna add it almost at the end. Let it simmer for at least 40 to 45 minutes. Every 7 to 10 minutes, give it a little stir. It's been simmering 35 minutes. And look at that, beautiful. We don't have to thicken it up. It's a perfect amount, all the ingredients I put. Now it's time to add the red kidney beans, and I have here some aged balsamic vinaigrette. Mix well and let it simmer for another 15 minutes and good to be served. And now time to serve our chili. Lovely. A little bit of sour cream on top. Cheddar cheese. Green onion. Some Tostitos chips. And now it's time to give a try. Yum, look at this. Wow, bomba. Sweet and savory with a little kick in it. If it's chilly outside and you're chilling at home, nothing better than a bowl of meat chili. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.